Managing your fleet doesn't have to be complicated. Keeping things simple is what AwareGPS does best. We make the features you need the most easy to use for maximum benefits. Reduce costs with detailed idling reports and more efficient routing. Stop speeding and reduce accidents with safe driving report cards. Improve your operations with better dispatching and tracking time spent on job sites. Vehicle maintenance tracking ensures you never miss a scheduled service and your fleet stays on the road. With AwareGPS, you'll never wonder where your vehicles are during the workday or after hours. You'll receive alerts when your vehicles enter and exit job sites and other locations you define, or if they move during unauthorized hours. With AwareGPS, you'll have peace of mind and the power of GPS tracking to manage your fleet simply and affordably. Track, measure, save with AwareGPS.